All right, so moving on then to question 3. Motion and the effects of forces can be explained using Newton's 3 laws of motion. State Newton's 3 laws of motion. Okay, so law 1 is an object will remain at rest or traveling at a constant velocity unless an unbalanced force acts. Law 2 is force is proportional to the rate of change of momentum when an unbalanced force acts. And law 3 is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the issue with this, it was just people didn't know them well enough. Like, you need to really know them. So a body, the whole remain at rest or travelling at a constant velocity is worth 2 marks. Unless acted on by an unbalanced force is the other 2 marks. For law 2, force is proportional to, and the second is the rate of change in momentum. And then the last one is the initial force, so every action, and then the other force being equal and opposite is how that was marked. So each one had 2 parts, essentially. Show that F equals ma is a special case of Newton's second law. So that's a proof. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to, for the sake of saving time, sorry. So that proof is in the proofs tab. Mechanics. It's literally called F equals ma, special case of Newton's second law, and it is in... Oh, maybe I don't need to do that. Sorry. So obviously the version of it that I have in OneNote is like really over-explained because it's... Do it here. So there's the first one, and then mechanics. Right. So it actually, like, a lot of people had a lot of it, which is great because I know the proofs can be tough. The fact that you knew what to do can be, like, is a good indicator. But yeah, this is it here. So we want to start with the second law and end up with F equals ma. So Newton's second law was force is proportional to the rate of change in momentum, which I turned into a formula. You separate the acceleration out, so F is proportional to ma. We introduce, I'm missing a line there. We turn our proportionality into an equation by introducing a constant, so it's kma, and then you sub in the fact that, sorry, I should have just done it, it would have been quicker. I think I missed a whole section there. After doing, I did, so it's this bit I'm missing. The exam, mechanics. Okay, so this will make more sense now, hopefully. Okay. So, sorry now. That's the formula for acceleration. So F is proportional to M. It turns into MA. To turn a proportionality into an equation, you must introduce a constant. So introduce the constant. And then I explained why K is equal to 1. That's the bit a lot of people were missing. Explaining why K was equal to 1. You only need to do it once. In the proof, I did it twice. And then you ultimately end up with F equals MA. Okay, so that's the proof. I literally found it on your OneNote, so it is there. In terms of marking that, it was 2 for the statement of F is proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Then it was 2 for kind of the next part here, where you turn it from that into proportional to MA. And then it was 2 for introducing the K and 2 for the explanation of why K is 1. So it was worth 8 in total. So that was part 2. Describe the experiment to find the resultant of 2 coplanar forces. Hang on.